Making this same intro for what seems like the 55th time. Anywho, today going to the gun range. Gonna be taking my Stoeger STR9 and what I believe is my Ruger LCP 9. The LCP is a family gun. It's a lot smaller. It's a single stack, probably like a 3-inch barrel, so it's really good for the female family member. I have myself a Stoeger STR9. It's a fairly new gun in the industry. I think it came out only 2 years ago. So I've been looking forward to shoot the gun since I got it. The only thing I've hated is I understand that the LCP9 has a single stack, and that it only comes with 1 magazine. I wish it would have came for 2. I mean, with it being such a small gun, I would have liked for it to have come with 2 magazines. Same way with mine. It's a double stack magazine. The only problem is it's only come with 1 magazine, and because it's a new gun and it's so rare, the only place I've been able to find other magazines have been this one site. I forgot the name of it, but I will link it in the description down below. And they only sell it for like $50 each magazine. You get 2 or 3, however many you want. So the problem, I still wish though it would have came. Both my Stoeger is cleared. I made sure to do that. Stoeger and the Ruger here, both are cleared. Making sure that's how we arrive at the gun range. So there's no setbacks. They also have this beautiful Glock 43X. I believe it's a single stack 9mm. I've been told it's a really good gun for concealed carrying. So if I get the chance to, you guys will be seeing me shoot that gun as well. And you know, I'll put in my input for the Ruger, the Stoeger, and hopefully that Glock 43X, which is also a fairly new gun in the industry lately. So we'll see how that all goes. All right, see you guys there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
real quick, you guys. So what happened here is I'm loading up. My mother, she came to the range with us, or with me, and so I'm just loading up her target. What we did is I just went over some basic gun range rules. Keeping your gun down range. Don't put your finger on the trigger unless you're ready to shoot. No sweeping anybody, things like that. After that, we proceeded to get her comfortable with the gun that I had gotten for her to use at home. At first, I believe I put it at 15 yards for her, but it didn't work out too well. So from then on, I started shooting at 15 yards, and she shot at 10 and 5. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
might just be my gun. Hey guys, so really quickly, at this point, my gun was jamming up a lot while the other two guns I had there weren't. So I was just really trying to figure out what was going on. I started shooting from the 8 yard, and I guess it kind of, got itself together. So it wasn't anything specifically wrong with the gun. It sighted well and shot very well. I guess just being a new gun, not really being shot at all since getting it. It jammed up a lot. By the end of the day, though, it really kind of started to fix itself. But I just want to, give you a little info. At this point, she also started saying, I guess, that she preferred the Glock 43X over her Ruger, and so we kind of discussed how expensive the Glock is. I mean, I make good money, but I'm no millionaire, and so I don't know. Maybe sometime down the line, I'll get her one, get myself another one. So that way we both kind of have one. I mean, I'm a road driver. I'm an OTR and trucker, so I'm often on the road a lot of times. And as the summertime is not very near, but somewhat approaching, I'm gonna need something that's easily concealed carry. I mean, I'm a big guy, so my tummy tends to conceal a lot of things, but I don't want to have people out there kind of worrying just because they see the print of a gun. You know how it is in this kind of day and age. But I also want to be able to protect myself. So, I mean, the Glock 43 X is really good. It's single stacked. I didn't really care for that because, I mean, as you can see, my gun is double stack, 15 plus 1, and I can get off shots, multiple shots, like nothing. It just seems like every time I shot the Glock, the minute I started shooting is the minute I finished. So I don't know. I guess you shoot the gun yourself and you see yourself how you feel about it. I really like it. Maybe I'll get to do some review of it when I finally get it.
I did not sleep much last night. Yeah, we were dancing to the early hours and late. And now my bed feels just right. I got my beautiful woman beside of me. Say, baby, today's a lazy day. Baby, today's a lazy day. We're making love in a crazy way. Baby, today's a lazy day.
No need to holler me on my phone, cause I just wanna stay in bed.
So, just coming from the gun range right now. It's pretty fun. As expected, I had my gun, specific to Stoker STR9, it jammed with the ammo that I originally bought. I was able to rent the Glock 43X. It was a really nice gun. It shot very well. There was no type of well, I guess there's a few times that it locked up on me, but the rest of the time it worked well. The range ammo and the additional, I forgot what specific range ammo I got the first time, but that and then another ammo they originally gave me, my gun worked well. So I figured, not really being shot enough, my gun just needed the time to work itself out. Other than that, everything else went pretty fine. Right now we're getting some food here at this little stop. Good old chicken platter. Got the fireplace going on, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna catch back up with you guys when I get home, and I'll tell you a little bit more. See ya.
This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, cause we're proud to be from God's.
Alright y'all, so my room's a little messy right now. Don't blame me, but I just wanted to make a quick little video, show you guys my little target practice. So this is what I really did. As you can see, there's a lot in the center mass. I shot at first from 25 yards away, but I haven't shot in a very long time, so I started to bring it down to at least 15, and then started to more so shoot from 10 to 15 yards away. This is mostly what I got. Got a few headshots here, as you see. There's a few that's kind of off paper, but like I said, I haven't really shot in years, probably since I was 16. So it's been quite a while. Honestly, I could tell you that there's a lot of sort of center mass shots and shot both keeping one eye on range, using both eyes. Uh, Really just shooting as best as I remember, and for the most part, got every bit of what I wanted to be on target. I also got to shoot the my mother. She went with me to the range as well. Kind of shot a few of her targets. Hers was a lot different than mine's was, though. I'll probably send a or put a picture up of that later. But I had a fun time. I only spent about like close to $100 for the day. It was really good. They had a little spot as you saw outside. Got some food. So I'm about to go eat some of that right now. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.